watch this video. You'll be amazed.
Video. Today is the 13th day of June 2025. As Nnamdi Kanu case was adjourned on the 29th day of May and upholding the previous dates, that is 13th, 16th, 18th, and 19th of June 2025, today was peak for the continuation of the witness cross-examination and accelerated hearing. So Nnamdi Kanu is already in the courtroom, and the details of what transpired in the court today will be communicated late in the evening today. And this is the footage of Nnamdi Kanu in court this morning. However, my attention has been drawn to some of the videos. Some person sent me some videos and they needed an explanation to, those videos. They said it is not proper. And one of the videos is something like this.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Mother Mary. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Mother Mary. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Mother Mary.
All right, what you saw in that video, and I'm going to show you so many videos that are similar to that. What you saw in that video is what I'm going to explain to you now. Just pay attention. Now, if you are a kind of person from this village, a village like this, just watch your screen. Yes, you see people who are running away from their ancestral homes because of terrorism. People invaded their ancestral lands, they started killing them. This is what Nigeria is full of, okay? It's happening from across the country. So if you're a kind of town, community, or region like this, and you see someone who stood up and organized a vigilante group to stand against people who are invading your territory, won't you pray for the person? Won't you praise the person? Won't you defend the person? Yes, that is what is happening in the southeast, especially when it comes to the case of Nnamdi Kanu, because people believed that before Nnamdi Kanu started the Biafra agitation, at that particular time, they were massacred like what we are seeing in Enugu in Ebonyi now. Yes, that time the Fulani terrorists have started invading in Igbo land. And Nnamdi Kanu said this can't happen. It can't continue to happen. And that is why I always use this statement that it is the love of his people that led him into Biafra agitation. So when you see something like that, you should know to the extent people value Nnamdi Kanu because they see him as the savior. Come on. You have never witnessed insecurity if you don't understand this. Where your village will be wiped out and you see someone who is defending you, you must love the person. That is the situation over there. So, no matter the lies they put forth against this man, we still understand where Nigeria is going. And we knew that this man called Nnamdi Kanu, he had the information about Nigeria. Most of my videos, I do talk about information about Nigeria. If you have information about Nigeria, you won't have choice, if you love your people, than to start planning to defend your people because of what is coming. So something like this is not a new thing, okay? Something like this is not a new thing at all. Now, let us also look at this particular video. The same person that sent this one to me also sent this particular video to me. Take a look.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Biafrans all over the world, depending on your time zone. On today being the 13th day of June 2025, the person standing by with the kola nut is going DS honor of Peace of Fairy Synagogue and founder of Eastern Judaism. He is here to seek mercy unto Chukwuka on behalf of our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who was staying in DSS court study today. As he's going to be present in today's court, we believe every activity that are to be carried out today will go in his own favor. We decided not to give up until our prayer requests are granted, which will surely be granted in the name of Chukwuka Abiyama.
Elohim Israel, Yahweh Bagen, Yebubigen, 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 Elohim.
I say, now, 13th of June 2025. I get what I feel when I can.
He said,
and you go to Opanebo, you don't want to get Puna court, or in our own favor.
He said,
all right, he be doing.
ise ise ise
obi nwoke ga-echikwa ebe ahụ nọpụta
ise
anyị wee nwere nwaanyị na anyị
ise
n'aha Chukwu okike abịa ma onye pụrụ ime ihe niile
ise
ọ dịghị onye ọzọ nwa ọjọọ a na-asị ka ọjọọ atọ wee bịara anyị na mma
ise
n'aha Chukwu okike abịa ma pụrụ ime ihe niile
ise
good in our own favor.
yes
ga-eri aga n'ihu ọrụ iji n'aka ruo ya n'isi
ise
otuto niile ga-abụ nke gị n'aha Chukwu okike abịa
ise
Chineke anyị dị mma ihe nwaanyị dị mma ihe niile kere eke na-enye gị ekele ọma mgbe niile oge niile ihe niile kere eke na-enye gị ekele ọma ya wee a na-ekwu na-asị na Chineke anyị dị mma
anyị dị mma onye na-enye gị ekele ọma a na-ekwu na-asị na Chineke anyị dị mma Chineke dị mma anyị na-asị gị dị mma oke mmiri mma anyị na-atọ gị dị mma ihe niile kere eke na-enye gị ekele ọma mgbe niile oge niile ihe niile kere eke na-ebunye aha gị elu ha na-ekwu na asị anyị na-efe dị mma anyị dị mma anyị dị mma ihe niile kere eke na-enye gị ekele ọma mgbe niile oge niile ihe niile kere eke na-ebunye aha gị elu ha na-ekwu na asị na Chineke anyị dị mma oke mmiri dị mma anyị na-asị gị dị mma oke mmọnwụ ugwu na-ekele gị ebube Israel ike niile ọnwụ ihe niile kere eke na-ebunye aha oge niile ihe niile kere eke na-enye gị ekele ha na-ekwu na asị na Chineke anyị dị mma mmụọ na-eri mmụọ anyị na-asị gị dị mma ebube anyị na-asị gị dị mma ọbata obi ya ọnụ ọna ike na-eme mma onye na-egbo mma ihe niile kere eke na-enye gị ekele ọma ha na-ekwu na asị na China na-efe dị mma Chineke anyị dị mma onye nwanyị dị mma ihe niile kere eke na-enye gị ekele ahụ mgbe niile oge niile ihe niile.
Yeah, that is another video again, and it's the same explanation to what I told you the first. All these things you are seeing is based on the value people put on this man. And why? What is the reason of these values? Is because they saw him and they are still seeing him as their savior. Someone who can send vigilante to the bush to protect their mothers. The other day you saw in Enugu, mothers were lying down on the floor protesting that the Fulani terrorists are even sleeping with them. After sleeping with them, some of them they will put stick in their anus and all those things. Something that is not even supposed to be spit out of the mouth. But we have to say it. These are crimes that Nnamdi Kanu was defending them against. And because of the influence and popularity, it was not, something comfortable with the politicians that be. They saw him as a threat and they started working against him. And up to today, they are still working against him. Now, the last video you are about to watch now is the video of Father Mbaka, Reverend Father Mbaka of Enugu. Now, Father Mbaka, a lot of people said he's part of the problem because he endorsed Buhari and said Buhari was sent by God. And I can never believe that. I can never believe that. But, when someone says something that is bad, condemn the person. But if someone eventually come out to speak the truth, I will still, praise the person. So that is why some person say, Okocha, why is it that the same person will come out to say something, you condemn it? The same person will come out to say something, you also endorse it. It's because I can spot, difference between the falsehood and the right thing. So when you do the right thing, I can say you do the right thing. And there is nothing wrong with it. So when you do the wrong thing, I can also say you are doing the wrong thing. There is nothing wrong with it. So take a listen.
Enwere onye Igbo isi dị mma ga-ekwugide omenala anyị. Omenala anyị dị against rape. Tufu gọọmenti abịa dị, anyị nwere ihe anyị na-asọ. Ọ ya bụ omenala Igbo. Igbos, one of our omenala bụ onye agha na nwanne ya. Ọnụrụbe nwanne. Ọnụrụbe nwanne agba n'ọsọ ye. Onye nụrụbe nwanne agba n'ọsọ. Ọ ya mere nke Nnamdi Kanu. Geenụ ntị. Oge Sunday Igboho nke Yoruba. Oge nke Sunday Igboho fịọrọfịọ. Yoruba leaders niile gbaa around. And they rescued him. Sorry, I got penny. Yoruba Jibiri, and he was rescued. Even President Obasanjo, Yoruba culture. Oyanga na one. Jena Niger Delta. Jena Batompo like a umejo. Ma the youth, ma the old. Hanchabara. Government if not the yes, your position. Do you know how many trillions he's paid in a month? He makes in a month. That one I can amundi can ekunite. Iye dugideri me dugidi mitil on no da boomibo. Iba kwasegi mechion. That we may all be one. That they may all be one. Are we one? This young man came talking against heinous killings in the farm. Our women who will go for farming and some of our men will be butchered. Our farms we are no longer safe. Our families are not safe. Go up there down to Uzu 1 and now. Many places are not safe. Killing, kidnapping. No. Nnamdi Kanu came and said it must stop. And they said once he's arrested, all these things will stop. Since he was arrested, has it not multiplied into 20 times? Is it not better that he's released? And the court has given judgment to release him. But now, the young man, the Igbo youths everywhere, it shall be well with you. They stood together, they got united, bonded, but the elites. Ndị nnukwu mmadụ a ịmana sị na okwu Chukwuta wee ka ọ ga-adị maka ọha ga-abido bawa mba. My Lord, ịgbara ya nkịtị ịgbara m nkịtị na gịnị? Jesus that they may all be. Ọ ya ka m na-akọwa ka ọ ma akọwa n'ihe onye nwaanyị kwu. That they may all be one. Are we one? Akpụrụ onye nke anyị agba iche iche. Ndị nnukwu mmadụ kwesịrị ije ije ka ọ pụta. Ụfọdụ bụ ndị jere ije eji kpụrụ ya. Mana dị otikọcha ihe ọ hụrụ n'elu nkwụ ọba ama mmụọ. Mana ndị niile aka ha dị n'ọkpụkpụ ahụ werekwa onye ga-akọ akụkọ ya ọfụma. They will all suffer. Maka ndị ga-adịkwa ndụ n'ime ha self. Ma ọ bụ na anwụ abịara. There are things don't do and get free. Kedụzi ebe onye agha na nwanne ya dị? N'ime bewe aya ebewe, anya bewe imi ebewe, ọ ka dịzikwanụ. Anyị ahụzila ego gbaghara nwanne. Ndị oshimi, ndị mpịawa azụ karịzịa. The unity is no more there. Etiti anyị n'onwe nke anyị, are we united? Ejiri onye agba ashịrị, ejiri onye nke ashị ashị, ejiri onye nke aboto. Nwanne gị na-ebe ọ na-atọ gị. It will soon be your own. So anyị na-ekwu maka unity. Igbawa Igbo. Anọ m na this point. Ndị niile Igbo ji eje ọgụ. Ma ndị ọha na eze. Because if we are fighting a common cause, today is Nnamdi Kanu. But the nature and the species of invasion that is happening in our land, if we are not careful and faster, and the government of Igbo land should wake up. If you cannot go to release Nnamdi Kanu, do what he ought to have done. Makana njiji gahe jikwa. Amegwu maka ije n'isi ụzọ. Ọsọ dị mgbe niile. Ihe amụfu aka n'aka ya. Jenu n'ugbo nke bụ agụụ ka na-abịa. Ebe a na-akọzi ugbo ịkọ akọ, a na-ehoro abacha ga-enye efi. A na-ata ya onwere ihe ga-eme ndị na-ekechọrọ ihu. And ama nwudenwu ha. Ebe ọ sọrọ ya mee. Ije n'Imo State aka na-aga ya aga. Enwego new culture and new mentality. Our people are no longer thinking about unity. Obviously, survival of the fittest. One spirit adrozi. That old Germanism, the African culture of brotherly love, that fraternity. A package go na bank, bo multi-billionaire, manandi neighbors go work ora. Oh yeah, we 5-star hotel eba, 3-star hotel eba, hotel. Make a win in a hotel. How many rich people are around that place? Oh my God, I was a majerin and Igbo. Oh, go off your when we are growing up. Off your life, we can blow one mad person. Jesus' prayer stands that they may all be. And as it was in our time, papa chọwa mama. Ụmụaka chọwa parents. Ebe ọ bụ na ị nọ n'ozi a, be the first to initiate love and peace. That they all be one. Ọ bụ na ị nọ n'obodo oyibo ọ dịrị gị na ma ị na-ege ntị n'ozi a. Don't stay there, be enjoying your dollar. If that dollar cannot change life here, that dollar is meaningless. So you think you have arrived and problem has finished. That they all be one. Everybody is important. May all be one. Oh yeah,